Hey, hola, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenlee. Today I'm going to give you a couple looks using the Trap palette from Gourmande Girls. And let's open it up. This is the color story. So let's get started. I'm going to use a Shed Deadly and put that in my crease. Pigmented right off the bat. So pretty. Then I'm gonna blend this color with Audrey Jr. This pastel purple. I'm gonna go above. How does that look? I feel like I need to add a little bit more Deadly because I kind of lost it. Then with the same detailed crease brush from e.l.f. I'm gonna go in with Digested, I think that's the name. This purple. And go in the outer V and a little bit in the crease to give it depth. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter glue and apply that all over the lid. And then instead of playing it safe and going in with that pink Bitten shade, I'm going to use this shade Alive. I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm going to blend this out. I'm gonna add some lashes and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to finish off the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with all green. Wow, it's a pigmented green. I love it. Kind of messed up here. I'll fix it in a little bit. I'm gonna wipe that brush, and then I'm gonna go in with Bitten. I'm gonna end up going with this little pink shade, shimmer shade. Then I think I'm gonna add this ColourPop cream gel liner in the name Aglow. So this is look number 1. What do you guys think? I think it looks really cute. That green against that purple and that like magenta color, it really pops, it really stands out, and I really like it. So let's move on to look number 2 and look number 3. For look number 2, I'm gonna go in with the shade Savage in the crease. I like how this color is buildable. Like it doesn't, like it's not that pigmented like right off the bat. Like you have to build it, and I like that. Especially like with darker colors. Then I'm gonna go in with Trapped, this color right here. For the outer corner and the crease, I'm gonna go in with Trapped. Go back in with the first brush and blend it out. It doesn't have any additional product. I'm just blending. Now I'm gonna apply some NYX glitter glue. Then I'm gonna take Snatched and apply it all over the lid. Ooh. Yo, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. This is look number 2. That color Snatched, so pretty. For look number 3, I'm gonna go in with the shade Audrey Jr. right here. Put that in the crease. Then I'm gonna use all green and put that in the crease as well. Then I'm gonna take the shade Feed Me and put that here on the outer corner and in the crease a little bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with some glitter glue. I'm using the NYX glitter glue. Then I'm gonna apply the shade Venus. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, this is look number 3. I'm going to clean it up, do the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back to do the lower lash line with you. So for look number 2, I'm gonna go into the color Savage and run it on the lower lash line gently. Then I'm gonna wipe that brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this color right here, like a coppery shade. I'm gonna use that for the inner corner highlight, and it's unhinged. I'm gonna leave it as is, and then I'm gonna go into look number 3, and I'm gonna use another M506 brush and use the shade Feed Me and run it on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna wipe this brush and I'm gonna use the shade Sundew, this pastel yellow, and use that as the inner corner highlight. Ooh, pretty. I don't have any eyeliners that can go with this, with these looks, so I'm gonna leave it as is. So you can go like super vampy or colorful and pastel over here. Look number 2. Look number 3. So this concludes my 3 looks using the Trapped palette by Gourmande Girls. Like, you can go super smoky and dark and bright and pastel-y. It's just a wonderful palette. I really like it. The mattes are pigmented and buildable, which I really like. The shimmers, or the shimmers, right? They're so pretty and sparkly, and they just glisten. They look so lovely on the eyes. I really like this palette. And do I recommend you buying it? I think yes. If you are into these tones, then I totally recommend it. It's so pretty. So alright, so let me know which look you like, and leave a like if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Alright, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Adios. Bye.